Hello guys, it's been a while. So today I'm going to talk about why is it your sideburns are usually the first to turn gray. Stay tuned. So when we grow old, our hair turns gray, but you may notice different parts of our hair turns gray at a different speed, and it is usually the sideburns that turn gray first. So let me explain why it is the case. According to traditional Chinese medicine theory, there are 12 meridians or channels of our body according to traditional Chinese medicine. Today I'm going to talk about the gallbladder meridian. So the gallbladder meridian starts from our feet, crossing our body, going through our IT band and our ribs, all the way to the area around our ears. That's where the sideburns is. So the problem with this gallbladder channel is that it runs through between the muscles, so it usually does not have enough blood flow. With aging, these parts of our body usually become weak first, so the gallbladder channel also runs through our knees. That explains why people usually have a weak knees when they grow old. That's also the reason the hair around our ears, that is our sideburns, turns gray first. So about the aging of our gallbladder channel, and I will share 3 tips. So the first one is to have a lot of green vegetables. Gallbladder channel belongs to the wood elements of the basic 5 elements, and so you can have a lot of green vegetables which can provide nutrients to your gallbladder channel as well as your liver. And the second one is boosting your blood flow of this channel, especially the size of your thighs. That's the IT band, and you can do massage, or even you can knock your IT band, which will help boosting the blood flow of your gallbladder channel. And the last one is massaging your gallbladder reflex point. It's only 1 point, and you can press this point 3-5 minutes, which will boost the blood flow of your gallbladder and also alleviate some gallbladder conditions. Okay, that's today's session. I wish health to all of you, and give a like if you find this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe. If you have any question or the topic you want me to cover in my future video, leave a comment. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next session.